In Onshape, I started working on a drone project to teach myself more about top-down design techniques. And then on July 20th, a new published geometry feature was announced in the forums. If you're not familiar with published geometry, it is a lightweight method for sharing external references to facilitate design work in individual components. And so, since published geometry is a custom feature, you are going to have to add it to your feature toolbar in a Part Studio. And so let me go to my command for adding custom features. If you go to just search for published geometry, you're going to end up with a lot of results. A lot of people have worked on their own published geometry features. You can see that we have a long list inside of here. Let me cancel out. If you go back to the original announcement for the published geometry feature, and I will share a link to this in the description for this video, you will see that there is a URL here. And if you go to that URL, first off, you will see a PDF that explains how to use the published geometry feature. But in this document, there is also a feature studio that has the code for using the published geometry feature. So let me go back. I'm going to copy this URL so that I can grab it and search for it. Let me hover over it and I'll do Control C. And then let me go back to my own Onshape. And so let's click on the plus sign. And then in the search bar, I'm going to paste that URL from the forum announcement. And here we see published geometry. Here we have the feature studio. Here we have the feature itself. And so now it has been added to my toolbar from the published version official. Let me close here. And now if I go to this dropdown, here we have the published geometry command. And I will show it how to use this in a future video.